Hospitalizations and COVID-19 cases in our state here are finally beginning to drop here in North Alabama.
31's Olivia Schuler joins us live. Olivia, how much have hospitalizations gone down since the beginning of the week?
Dan, today the Huntsville hospital system is reporting only 423 inpatients, and that's a significant drop from the last several days, and health officials are hoping it stays that way.
We do feel like we are probably plateauing in our state right now.
When it comes to COVID-19, a lot can change in several days.
We have had now for the past few days daily case numbers of 5,000 or 6,000 per day. You know, that would have been an all-time record before the Omicron variant hit.
And that's still better than last week when the state saw nearly 17,000 cases per day. As the peak starts to plateau, we're still nearing all of last year's statewide cases.
We've had over 300,000 cases this year, so more than half of the cases in the last month than we saw in the entire year last year.
The record-breaking number of cases reflected in both hospitalizations and deaths.
So even with a mortality rate that may be half of what we had with Delta, when we have 3 or 4 times as many cases, you can see that really the total number of people who are getting sick and ending up in the hospital and even dying is still going to be substantial.
But now COVID-19 is starting to pump the brakes. Cases in schools trending down as well.
Our cases have gone down from about 24,000 in schools last week to about 9,800.
That's after many North Alabama schools had to switch from in-person to virtual learning due to the case count between staff and students. Kids 0 to 17 years old account for 19% of overall cases.
That's still a pretty significant contribution.
Monitoring cases for the next several days will be crucial. Health leaders say if the positivity rate continues to go down, then hospitalizations should mirror that. And that goes with some of the trends that we've been seeing across the country. Reporting live in Huntsville, Olivia Schuler, WAY 31 News.